Hello good people, I'm going to spend some more time talking about the formula for standard deviation. The formula written here and introduced in the previous video is the one that we will be using throughout this course. However, if you are already doing statistics, or if at some future date you choose to do statistics, you will see this formula expressed slightly differently. It will look something like this. Note that the x bar has been replaced by the mu symbol, and the lowercase n has been replaced with a capital N. This is a formula for the standard deviation of the population. The capital N represents the total number of data points in your population, and mu represents the mean of the population. All right. So aside from changing a few symbols, the formula does not seem to be affected that much. X bar has become mu, lowercase n has become capital N. So why am I giving you a headache talking about this? Well, that is because in statistics, we also have a concept of a standard deviation of the sample. The sample standard deviation has its own formula. And here it is. Note that the symbol sigma has been replaced by a lowercase s. And now, beneath the division line, we have lowercase n minus 1. Note that in this formula, we again use x bar to represent the mean. The lowercase n represents the number of data points in our sample. You might be wondering, why is it that in statistics we have these two formulas? What is this population and what is this sample business? Well, let's say you wanted to determine the average height of a person in Australia. In order to truly get that average, you would need to measure every single Australian. And if you were to somehow manage to do that, you would use this formula on the left, the standard deviation of the population, because you got the entire population. However, that is not practical. So rather than measuring every single person in Australia, you might grab a sample, say 1,000 people. You would measure their heights, determine the average of their heights, that would give you the x bar, and then you would use this formula for the standard deviation of the sample. Because now, you are dealing with just a sample of the entire population. All right, all of that being said, within this course, we will be using the formula at the top. However, if you pursue statistics further, you will encounter these two variations for the standard deviation. You are perfectly justified if you choose to swear at this stage. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.